Hi everyone, welcome back to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix night light not turning off on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your night light is not turning off on your Windows 11 or Windows 10, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to just click on this start menu, then click on settings. In right side you will find display, click on the display. Under brightness and color you will find night light. If it is on, just turn it off, then close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix night light not turning off on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.